Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Iris and I'm not so crafty. If you would like to skip this intro, please go to this timestamp. And for everybody else, I'm so sorry that I haven't been posting. I told you from the beginning, if you've been watching my videos, that I'm not very committed. I'm sorry, but I get distracted and things just get pushed back, you know. I'm sorry, but we're here now, and I have an interesting video for you. I was watching a movie the other day. It's called The Lie, and highly recommended because it's really good. I'm not going to give you any spoilers, don't worry. I'm just going to show you this picture that I saw and that I fell in love with. I thought it was amazing. I thought it was so cute. I immediately fell in love with that light. I told myself I just have to recreate it. I want that light. I have to recreate it. I'm not really sure how to do it because I don't know. I don't have the instructions to do it. I mean, I'm not really sure how to do it. But in this video, I'm going to give it my shot. My best shot. This is just my own interpretation of how it's done. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please hit the like. Subscribe if you want to see more random videos at a random time from me. Yeah. So without any more blabbing, let's get started on the video. So when I was looking closer to this picture, I noticed that these are yarn balls. I know how to do yarn balls. This looks so simple. Like all you really need is yarn balls and some light. I found these cute ones in Walmart. These could totally work for that. I know how to do yarn balls. Let's do some yarn balls. So the ingredients you're going to need is yarn of any color, glue, some water, preferably from the faucet. This is optional, you don't need it, but it comes in handy. And some clips, also you don't need it, but I'll show you how to do it. And some balloons. So the first thing I'm going to do is hang up some string because I want to be able to put my yarn balls up at a high distance to be able to dry. And my cats will destroy it if it's on the table, so I need to put it high up. So I need to tie some yarn. Okay, so after you have your string ready, the next thing we're going to do is blow the balloons. And I'm going to show you a little trick because it would just look better for them to be even. It would just look really weird for them to be different sizes. You know what I mean? When you have your balloon blown up, you're going to go through the back and you're going to let it out until it goes through. And that way you know you have the same size balloon. And it doesn't just have to be between two water bottles. It could be between any two things. Okay, so now that you have your balloon, and these is why you use this little clips, so you can hang them. Or you can use clothes hanger, whatever feels your boat. But they come in handy. So when your balloons are all set up, the next thing you're going to do is you need to do your glue mixture. For that, you're obviously going to need some glue and some water. Preferably from the tap because you're not going to drink it. Let's do that. Okay, so hopefully you already picked the color of yarn that you want. Okay, and we're going to take out a little bit of it. I'm going to get a good amount of yarn going. Come on, yarn, work with me. Make sure you untangle this because this keeps getting stuck. Look at this. Okay, so next thing is we're gonna do it in water. Oh my god, I hate when I'm not prepared. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add some glue. Hopefully to a container you don't need anymore. That's just estimate. Okay, and then you're gonna add your water. You're gonna mix. You can mix with a spoon. I'm just gonna do it with my hand because I have gloves, so it's fine. So you want it to be like a watery consistency because when you put the water in, you're gonna feel the thickness of the glue still, and you're gonna keep mixing until it's not thick anymore.
You need to be, it needs to be watery, runny, but with the glue well mixed in. It has a lot of stuff still floating around, so you're gonna have to keep mixing until these little clumps are no longer there. You may need to add more water. Just, estimate. Even if you do it with clumps, it's still gonna work. Okay, whatever. Okay, so then you just get your thing and you put it in. And you mix it. Let it absorb it. And then wring it out, because we don't want it to be drippy. You know what I mean? Okay? But before we put it on the balloon, we need to put some jelly. You don't need to put some jelly. It's just gonna help the balloon come out when it's ready without sticking to the yarn. Okay? So you're gonna find the end. Where's the end? Okay, you're gonna find the end. Unravel this before you get started because it's gonna be a nightmare. Trust me when I say. Okay. So then you just kind of hold it and you wrap it. You just wrap your balloon all around, round and round. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? Damn it. No matter how many times I unravel it. And you just keep wrapping it. It's okay. If we need to start over, we need to start over. Just make sure it's a little tight, but not pressing the balloon tight. Just tight. Okay, make sure when you do this to leave a gap open. Oh, damn it. See what I mean? Come on, you ugly thing. Oh, you keep getting stuck. Keep unraveling and it keeps getting stuck. Doesn't need to be where the stem is, as long as you leave some kind of gap to be able to put the light through. And if you need to make the gap, just like open it up and then wrap around it so that all the other gaps are a lot closer than the specific gap that you're looking for. Does that make sense? Oh my God. Are you kidding me? I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you.
So when you're done, this little extra, you're just gonna tuck it in. And then just put a little bit more. See, and this is our gap, and everything else is closed up. And then we're gonna hang it. And then we repeat the process about 20 more times. 19 actually. Okay, so once you do that 20 more times, you just gotta let it dry. Usually it takes about 12 to 24 hours to dry. Gonna let it dry, let it dry, let it dry. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next morning. I had to put on the same thing so you think it's the same video, which it is. So now we're gonna pop the balloons. Oh, this one caved in. Wish me luck on this one. Oh, damn it. They keep caving in. Okay, this time I'm gonna push them in so it can separate. Okay, that's what I did wrong. Nice. This one's nice and fluffy. Okay, hopefully it doesn't cave in. Nice. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Yay! Here you go. Look at this!
Nice. Okay, so now that we have our things, some of them caved in a little. But you know what? We're gonna use them because I'm not gonna do this all over again. These is very tedious, so we're gonna use them. Next step, lights. Oh no no! Oh! We lost one. Okay, so we're moving on to the next step, and this is where it gets a little tricky because I'm not really sure how to connect these. So I'm thinking if I use the same color as the yarn and just kind of tie it, I think it'll be fine. So, same color as this yarn. Put the little ball in and tie it. Here, let me give you a closer look. You stick it in there. Okay, I'm all done, and I think it's holding on tight, so I'm gonna go hang it up and I'll show you the result.
So I had to rearrange a couple of things right here, but we're finally ready to plug it in. Hopefully it looks good. Wow. What do you think?
It looks amazing. Whoa.